Hey guys, welcome back. So it's been a few weeks since we heard anything about the Galaxy Fold 2. But yesterday we finally had some new details coming from SamMobile. According to a report by SamMobile, Samsung will be able to bring down the starting price, which is a great news considering how expensive current foldable phones are. The Galaxy Fold 2 retailed for nearly $2,000 at the time of launch, whereas the latest folding phone, the Galaxy Z Flip, came with a retail price of $1,400, making it significantly cheaper and more affordable. The Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 is likely to cost anywhere between the price of Galaxy Z Flip and Galaxy Fold, which will surely help attract more audience towards it. And how are they gonna do that? That is reduce the price. According to the website, Samsung will launch as many as 2 storage variants of Galaxy Fold 2. The model number SMF916 will have 256GB of storage, whereas the model number SM91X will come with 512GB of storage. The original Fold offered only one storage variant of 512GB. So by offering the Galaxy Fold 2 with lower base storage, Samsung will be able to bring down the starting price. But with the recession setting in across the globe, I wonder how buyers will willingly shell out even $1,500. Now we are not sure if Samsung plans to cut down the price even further by cutting corners with its processor and by using 4G instead of 5G. So really only time will tell. It's not all about cutting corners and reducing price. According to another report, the Galaxy Fold 2 could get S Pen support. That's right, Galaxy Fold 2 might use S Pen. But then again, it would technically join the Galaxy Note series, which would make it a non-foldable S Pen solution. But keep in mind, this is not yet confirmed. And a report coming from the Alec suggesting the display of Fold 2 will be improved even further than Galaxy Z Flip. The Galaxy Z Flip employs ultra-thin glass, whereas the Galaxy Fold screen uses polyamide. Now Samsung wants to combine them to create a new foldable screen solution for the Galaxy Fold 2, which should be stronger and durable. Now for some older leaks, the Galaxy Fold 2 is expected to feature a larger cover display than the 4.6-inch found on its predecessor. The inner foldable display might increase as well, from 7.3 inches to 7.7 inches. It will likely have a punch-hole selfie camera instead of the odd side notch on the Fold. As for launch, SamMobile reports Galaxy Fold 2 is expected to arrive in third quarter of this year. Many believe that it may be launched alongside the Galaxy Note 20 in August. So still there is time left. Until then, subscribe to my channel for more information. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Peace out.